Hi guys, it's Dallas with your 2-minute tip for today. Let's talk about dandruff. Okay, the technical term for dandruff is pityriasis. And what pityriasis is an accumulation of large clumped up skin cells that are shedding and shedding excessively. Now, your skin normally sheds cells one by one and very few and very light, but when it's pityriasis, dandruff, it is a lot and it's clumped up at that point in time. Now, dandruff has been debated for many years, but current research have agreed that it is from a fungus that's called Malassezia, all right? And that fungus is a naturally occurring fungus that lives on all human skin. That means everybody, okay? But there are some factors that will cause it to accelerate, such as stress or age or hormones or even personal hygiene, okay? But no fear, guys. Here's the conversation you want to have with your customer, and that is using a medicated shampoo, antifungal, anti-dandruff shampoo. The formulas are formulated so great that it's gentle enough that you can use it every day and even on color-treated hair to help you get on top of your dandruff. Now, just keep in mind that cleanliness, by cleaning your tools, disinfecting, and making sure everything is great, and making sure you're talking to your customer about personal hygiene will help you guys get on top of your dandruff situation. Here's my last tip. Dandruff, it's not contagious, so stop telling your customers that. All right, that's your 2-minute tip for today. Bye, guys.